Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change or put a watermark on your videos. Like this one, you can see there's a watermark of tag schooling on every of my video. So how you're going to put that into your video, and if you want to put it in all of your videos, or you want it to be your journal, how to do that, and we're going to learn that. So for that, all you have to do is go and click on the right upper corner of your channel and make sure you're logged in with the channel that you want to change it. So click on the right upper corner. And in here, you can see an option called YouTube Studio. Click on it. As you click on YouTube Studio, it will take you to the studio, which is studio.youtube.com. In here, you're going to see on the left lower corner, you're going to scroll down and you can see an option called Customization. Click on Customization. As you click on Customization, you will see multiple options. We are not concerned with the layout, so we will go with the branding. You can see on the second option, click on Branding and scroll down and you can see an option of video watermark. You can click on video watermark. Either you want the video to be watermark on the entire video, or custom start time, or end of the video. So wherever you want that to be, you can either choose that option. So I want the watermark to be at every point of my video, so I'll click on entire video. And I want to add a watermark. It will give you an option of add, but if you already have a watermark but you want to change it, you can click on change. And in here you can choose any picture and submit it, and that way your watermark will be published and all of your video will contain a watermark. Let me show you how that watermark will look like. So if you go back to our channel, and if I open one of my videos, and when I open one of my videos, and let's see, okay, I have to get rid of this ad. I personally don't like them, but they are must because that's how we run our lives and keep creating content. So you can see on the lower corner, this is the watermark that is available on the right lower corner. So you can see around my whole video the watermark is available because that's what I selected. So if you think this video really help you in understanding how to add a watermark on your YouTube channel videos, so if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in the video. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.